start by saying I won't waste your time. I know my chances are slimmer than your waistline. I ain't trying to be funny, I just miss your smile. If I could see it once, maybe I could change your mind. You got something special, it's very hard to find. I hope I could get your heart or I would die trying. I learned from before when I was messing with that hoe. I had to let her know that I couldn't let you go. She still liking my pictures, she still liking my posts. She just trying to cause a scene, she be doing the most. But see, that's childish, but you a lady. I just wanna kiss you slow and hear you call me baby. Play with your booty, kiss your forehead, call you cutie. Log on my Netflix so you could pick us out a movie. But if you doze off, I'ma slide your clothes off. Face first, good head, let me wipe my nose off. I miss the way you do it. Tell me, can you stand the rain? Cause I wanna help you through it. I miss the way you do it. Tell me, can you stand the rain? Cause I wanna help you through it. So tell me what you miss the most. The fact I'm a real nigga, we used to be so close. Tell me how you feel, you miss how I took your pictures. You miss how I always know how you feel when you feel like nobody else would know. Or begin to understand what you feel inside. My passion fruit, you the apple of my eye. I miss you more than anything and I would do anything. I know that I'm a rapper, but you got me here wanting to sing. If I could sing, I would hit some R. Kelly, some Keith Sweat, some New Edition, some Jagged Edge. Hold your head on my chest when we in the bed. Say everything gonna be alright. I'ma be here all night. No worries, no fuss, cause you in my life is a must. Yeah. I miss the way you do it. Tell me, can you stand the rain? Cause I wanna help you through it. I miss the way you do it. Tell me, can you stand the rain? Cause I wanna help you through it. Yeah. My nigga earn his love when I do this shit. Fresh.